In this video, we'll show you how to change the radiator support cover on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You can now see the radiator support cover. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a fork, remove the holding rivets. Using a fork, remove the 2 rivets holding the plastic cover to the radiator bracket. Then remove the 2 rivets holding the radiator support cover to the fender mountings. Then remove the cover. You can order the radiator support cover used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new radiator support cover, then position it correctly. Remember to pass the cover under the fender mountings and the grille assembly. Then put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.